is a Panchakarma cleansing method? In this video, I will explain what is Panchakarma and how to do the simpler version of this at your home. Hare Krishna dear Vedic girls, I am Maral. Welcome to a Vedic Girl channel. Before starting explanation, I have to tell you that I am not a doctor. And I cannot tell to you if you should do this at your home or not. If some of you have some problems with cholesterol, then you should consult your doctor. I am sharing my own experience of doing Panchakarma at home. For the last 2 years, I have done it triple times, and every time I see amazing results of this cleansing. First time when I did, I was shocked how much of dirt I was having in my body. Second time also shocked me. Third time, which I have done recently, was not so much shocking. Probably it is because the body was a little bit purer than earlier. Panchakarma is a process of deep cleansing using several methods. Purification through drinking ghee, purification through skin, applying oil onto the body, purification of sinuses and mind using ghee. Purification by steam bath through perspiration and purification of blood, and eliminating collected toxins through enema or vomiting or using purgatives. And throughout the process, one eats only kichri or particular foods and gets deep professional massage. At home, we cannot change the blood or do some sinus cleansing or deep massage. And we don't have very steam bathrooms. The only things we can do at home are drinking ghee, applying oil to our body, eating kichri, and taking a hot bath and using purgatives. This everything takes total 11 days. It is better to start it on Dvadashi after Ekadashi because before starting it, our body should be free of lots of food in the intestines and stomach. That is why it is recommended to eat light food on Ekadashi and start Panchakarma on Dvadashi, so that you won't have vomiting sense when you start drinking ghee. During whole process, we need to avoid potatoes, starchy foods, maida or white wheat flour, sugars, fried items, gassy items like channa, urad dal, fruits, dairy products. But eat only kichri or rice or mung dal, quinoa and non-starchy vegetables. The first day when you wake up after cleaning your mouth, you need to drink warm 25 ml ghee. Then sip warm water till you become hungry. After you are hungry, you can eat your meal. It is better to drink ghee at around sunrise time or before that. If you are late, there is no problem. The most important thing is you shouldn't eat any other food before drinking ghee. The first day I drank ghee before 6 a.m. and felt hungry at around 10:30 a.m. and ate quinoa, dal, some vegetables. Please drink only ahimsa pure cow ghee, nothing else. Don't believe that some ordinary ghee in the markets is actually ghee. You need to buy ghee from a trusted, honest-hearted person. It shouldn't be a buffalo ghee. It shouldn't be vegetable vanaspati ghee. Nice and trusted brands I know in India are Goseva ghee and Pathmeda ghee. You may find some more, but they are not easily available in the markets. The second day I drank 50 ml warm ghee before 6 a.m. and felt hungry at around same time. Ate almost similar food. The third day I drank 75 ml of warm ghee. The amount of ghee is so much so that I couldn't drink it in 30-40 minutes. I felt like vomiting. That is why I drank it slowly, giving some gap in between. Felt hungry a little later, at around 11 a.m. Ate almost similar food. 100 ml of ghee on the fourth day. Oh my god, it was a horrible feeling. I drank in an hour by giving a gap. I used to swallow some ghee and do other things. Then again, after 10-20 minutes, swallow some more ghee. That way I could complete it in an hour. Was hungry at around 1 p.m. Actually, I was not very hungry, but felt weakness. Dirt was not coming out yet, but at night, atmosphere at home changed. The air quality changed. and was little strange. 125 ml of ghee. Better be kidding me. This time I thought of eating ghee. I thought I won't have a sense of vomiting. I thought I will just swallow chunks of ghee, not tasting the taste of butter. But it was the worst experience because ghee chunks were not going through my throat, and that is why I had to hold ghee in my mouth more than what I used to do when I drink warm ghee. Was very weak for the whole day, especially in the evening. Became hungry at around 2. Again, there was not so much sense of hunger, but felt severe weakness. At night, I felt stomachache and diarrhea. Looks like cleansing process started on the 5th day. We had to keep bathroom windows wide open. 150 ml ghee. Oh God. That sounds like a joke. Drank it in 2 hours. Whole day diarrhea and sense of weakness and vomiting. But had to eat lunch at around 3 p.m. Better be kidding me. 175 ml ghee. Oh my God. Completed drinking it at 10:35 a.m. Was horrible. Can't look at ghee or remember the word ghee. The mind feels like vomiting when I imagine ghee. Had to lie down on my left side for some time so that it gets digested. That same day, my friend sent me a photo of ahimsa ghee which she recently bought. I thought, oh God, can't look at ghee anymore. When you do Panchakarma at Panchakarma centers, you will drink some medicated ghee which won't have the smell of ghee much. But still, oil remains as the oil. You have to be strong and determined. My husband used to gulp ghee all 7 days, whereas I dragged drinking for hours and hours. Doing Panchakarma together with someone will be easier. Last year, for example, I did with my friends. We created a WhatsApp group and daily used to update and inspire each other. For some people, the cleansing process may not start during ghee drinking days. One of my friends didn't go to the bathroom for 2 days. She had severe constipation, but after she reached the purgative drinking day, her body removed all the dirt. Day 8. After you wake up in the morning, you don't drink ghee anymore, but you will apply that ghee to your body and do massage, or you can use sesame oil for that. We use sesame oil and take a steam bath. We didn't have a steam bath, so we just took bath with warm water. Later we ate only kichri. Not satisfied with the food, I missed my fruits, nuts and dairy products. If you eat one same food, you may get fed up and eat a lot. That is why in Panchakarma centers in India, they will tell you to live a simple life engaging yourself fully with spiritual practices, with no internet and so on. Whereas we live in the center of the crowded city and plus my husband daily goes to work. So it was not easy for us. In the reality, you should start your kichri eating days after your purgative drinking days. But we decided to eat only kichri for all 5 days. But kichri got digested without much acidity. That part was nice. Day 9. Again, you need to do oil massage of your whole body and then take a steam bath. The main thing here is getting perspired. So remain under warm water some time and perspire. Then again, kichri for the whole day. Better be kidding me. Day 10. Senna. Almost done. Now all those processes like drinking ghee and applying oil to your skin brought all the toxins into your stomach. That is why on the 10th day you need to drink senna or any other purgative to remove them out completely. Better not to eat anything till purgative is doing its job. It was difficult for me to fast so long. I mean, before Panchakarma for 11 days, I did another cleansing process. That is why doing Panchakarma was a little bit too much for me. I missed fruits, nuts, and dairy products a lot. Day 11. Done! No ghee, no oil massage, but now you will have a very weak digestion power. That is why eat only kichri. Kichri is not difficult to digest. At the same time, it will give strength to your digestive system and make you ready to eat normal food coming days. Day 12. Done! Home Panchakarma completed. Well done to all of us and to Krishna, who tolerated eating kichri for several days and who gave us the strength to follow this process. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that he is the strength of the strong people. After Panchakarma, people who look at us usually say that we are glowing. Clean skin, no puffiness in the eyes, a little stomach, peaceful mind, increase the elasticity of the skin, which will make you look younger. That is it, friends. If you have some questions, please feel free to write comments here. Thank you.